Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, CD player, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.